Yeah, HelloTalk is the world's largest language exchange. So essentially what that means is if you want to learn a foreign language, we pair you with a native speaker who wants to learn your native language, and you teach each other for free. So it's kind of like a social network meets a language learning app. So Wordia is the project that we've engaged Somnio for. And basically what Wordia is a vocabulary trainer for foreign languages. If you want to learn almost any foreign language, you can use Wordia and use it as kind of a hybrid flashcard app. And also it has some gamification features in there. So it allows you to practice pronunciation. There's streaks, so it keeps you using it every day. It's almost like a digital version of flashcards for really interesting words that you typically wouldn't find in textbooks. So if you're learning a foreign language, I'd highly recommend checking out Wordia. Yeah, the problem HelloTalk originally sought out to solve was that it's really difficult to actually practice a language with a real person. There are tons of apps and services out there for learning a language through content, whether that's gamified content, traditional coursework, or anything else. But at the end of the day, you have to actually speak a language and to become fluent in it, right? HelloTalk looked to solve that problem by really instantly pairing you with another speaker of that language to practice with for free. And that's still the main purpose of HelloTalk to this day. We use Flutter internally at HelloTalk, as well as with the Daily Word project that we engage Somnio for. Flutter just makes it a lot more efficient to do development work. We can develop once and deploy it to multiple native platforms at the same time. It's especially helpful for our educational content. So we can make changes to the content on the fly without having to resubmit for approval to the app source. Flutter just makes the development process a lot more efficient and allows us a faster speed of iteration. So we can make changes, test things more quickly than if we were to use native code on its own for mobile. We actually evaluated a lot of different potential partners for outsourcing our development. And Somnio stood out because number one, the team looked proven in terms of their technical expertise. We also really liked that Somnio had experience with design, and we wouldn't have to use a separate agency for design, so we could have everything under one roof. And being in the similar time zone to where we are here in California, that was another reason why we chose Somnio. It's been really good. Yeah, we've been impressed. It's hard to find a long-term partner, I would say, for development, and we've definitely found that with Somnio. Very professional. Everyone we've worked with is highly skilled in what they do. So we've been pleased so far. Nearshoring, I guess in this context, would be somewhere in South America, being that we're in North America. So for one, there's just a lot of talent we've realized for development and design in South America, priced much better than it would be here in the States. And then also the time zone factor. It's a lot easier to communicate with someone that's at least close to your time zone as opposed to in Europe or Asia, where it's really inconvenient. Usually you're at the opposite ends of the day with your partner that's located over there. I would recommend Somnio because of firstly, their quality of work has been quite good. Very professional. Everything's organized. It's basically Somnio kind of replaces an entire internal team, which for us is critical for the project we chose because we don't have the resources internally to deal with it. So it's just a perfect fit if you need a completely outsourced team with development and design, but a team that you can collaborate with that feels almost internal in terms of how you communicate with them. Yeah, that's why I'd recommend it.